We were just...
I didn't eat anything.
Mate, you left your bottle up there.
Oh yeah, but that was got...
Calm down, Jesus Christ.
Sorry, Janine.
This guy just said Janine. What do you think we're doing? Fucking.
How old are you? Fucking 17? Fucking life. It's not even. We literally went down there to talk to someone and we were gonna come back up. So shut your ass. Oh!
Alright, everyone has to throw this away.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think that you could bend down to pick a piece of rubbish
Oh, this
up.
is broken, I can't even.
Take
Huh?
the bike. If they touch our bikes, we're gonna fucking stab.
Touch my bike, I'll rip your dog's legs off.
Pick it up by the
Yeah.
bunch of fucking.
Please, listen.
Please turn around and just boot him in the air.
Look at him.
I want that mat to just turn around and just.
Pass your bottle, pass your bottle.
Look at this!
Well, at least they've all got something in common, they're all dogs.
Oh, damn.
Uh-oh.
Shit, she's coming over.
Alright, put it in the bin then.
Damn! On with Karen's.
Yeah.
What's she gonna do? Fucking naughty boy.
Damn, Joe, I thought my God had injured you or what? Alright. What are you doing now?
Fortnite Karen moments.
Damn, did you video all that?
No.
Shut it down.
You did.
We literally
Right,
went.
I've got a description and a photo of all of you, so if that rubbish gets left,
I went over there to go...
Wait, life in jail, right?
I went over there, we went over there to go speak to one of our old friends
but you left
and
all
come
the
back.
rubbish
Yes.
there.
For like,
We said we were going to leave.
For like about 3 minutes.
Doesn't matter. Don't leave your rubbish.
Well, we're back here now, so...
Doesn't matter.
Did any of
So-
us get harmed?
Well, we put the rubbish back, so I mean, if you don't delete the photo, that's a crime in itself.
Well, do something about it then.
Well,
Okay,
look at the
well,
rubbish,
We,
all
we
could-
like, there might be some spare food.
we haven't. Maybe we haven't
Store left
finished.
there.
Maybe we eat plastic.
Most of it was in the bag anyway.
Exactly. And we hadn't even
Matter,
finished.
you left the rubbish
Oh
there.
my
For
god.
like a minute. Well, I went down there.
Army of Karen.
Right, if you just fill up
Jesus
that pot,
You're the one who's saying, oh, do something about it, because you got pictures of
We're getting surrounded by Karens.
Oh, right! Fucking hell!
don't leave it around.
You can say it like 20 times. Fucking
Weren't so damn right bloody rude.
Says you.
You're-
You're just coming over screaming at us because we haven't picked up our
Believe
rubbish.
me, I haven't even raised my voice yet.
I'd like to see you out.
Yeah, you would. Hang on a minute.
the amount of face you smoke.
I'll tell you what I'll do.
Anyway.
Just come
And
rubbish.
then plaster it all over Facebook and see what your
Oh,
parents think.
Facebook. Facebook.
oh, minion meme. Look at that.
Just don't look at it.
Yeah, come on, don't run away from the camera.
Right.
Come on.
So you're
You
telling...
think you're so big.
Record this.
You're
This is
pretty
harassment.
big, not gonna lie.
Here you go. Camera.
This guy's into very big.
Thank you.
Do you have literally nothing else to do in your life?
Excuse me?
Do you have nothing else to do?
Then what?
Just we
Record.
came back, we're
Harass
here.
people for no reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But your attitude?
Because you're just coming over here, like, what's the point?
No, you gave me attitude.
We've just been surrounded by dogs and Karens. Just leave us
I'm
alone.
speaking to the other woman.
Yeah, we're all together, we're all group.
Oh,
Yeah, it doesn't mean I'm giving a
Karen on me.
You pick it up.
we have.
It's in the bag.
But that's all we're saying, is it?
Yes, we picked it up, so why...
He's
so
got
why
a
are you
lifelong
doing
knee
it?
injury. He
Had
can't
to leave
walk.
it there in the first place.
Because we'll go and say hello to our friends. It's not like...
Who we haven't
Oh,
seen
yeah.
in like 4 years.
It's not like we're going to go pick this up, go there and then go over to them. We're obviously just going to come back.
The bin's 2 feet away from where you're going to
2
walk.
feet, yeah.
For God's sake.
2 feet.
Well, they might have gone by then.
They were walking pretty
And it was in a rush. So, I mean, you don't get instant things.
Yeah, so would
You don't think-
would you then...
No! You're pissing me off now. Fuck off. Jesus Christ, just leave us alone. You're a bunch of fucking dog walkers with nothing else to do than scream at fucking 13-year-olds. You're not picking up rubbish. Grow up.
Oh,
Anyway, alright.
lucky.
Where's Matthew gone?
But
Has
what
Matthew
we're
actually
saying
left?
is that if you pick it up, our dogs don't come over and try and eat it all.
Oh, it's in a bag now.
This stuff that is poisonous to the dogs.
Well, Matthew's
That's
left.
what we're saying, is don't leave a mess.
Well, we haven't. We've picked it up now, and we're going to put it in the bin
Okay, fine,
in a few
fine,
minutes.
Fine. But it's attitudes like that that make us scream and shout at you. Okay? Not yours, his. Alright? That's all we're saying. Okay?
Fine.
Over and done with now.
Hopefully your life will win in 4 minutes. Damn.
My door's now. 6 minutes.
When Luke's chasing Matthew.
Literally, fucking hell. Current army. Look at them.
My leg actually bare.
Alright,
Bear hurts you, knew.
follow them, then let's go.